Hey guys, what's going on? So I wanted to show you real quick. This guy just showed me this. I'm by no means an expert or nothing, but I know enough to try to help other people out. And this has really helped my website ranking. And it's in return, it's helped me get more customers. If you go on my website down to my service areas, you can see here, each of these is clickable. If you do this, I'm going to show you how to do this. If you do this, make sure you have like 3 days literally to sit down doing this, because it takes forever. Especially like, look how many cities I have. These are all individual websites. So my website has like 30 websites within one website. But say you were to go to, like, say Cranberry. Now, and also keep in mind each of these pages. So once you build them, sorry for the shaky camera. See up here, you have to copy and then go to Google Search Console, paste, request indexing. If not, it'll take forever for them to pick up. But every page that I have that is picked up by Google Search Console, I rank #1 as of now. Like, it's crazy how much authority this pulls. I'll show you what I did. So here's a picture from WikiLeaks, or not WikiLeaks. I keep saying WikiLeaks, from Wikipedia. So this is this is the picture that it has on the town of, what town is this again? Cranberry or something? Cranberry. So, and I gotta fix that. I put periods there. I don't know why. The guy told me to fix that too. He's really smart, this dude that showed me this. So this picture, obviously, it's gonna help. And then this is a clickable geotag. Takes you back to Wikipedia or whatever, whatever, I don't know. And then down here, I have a citation from Wiki. Now this gives Wiki backlinks and citations, but it also pulls a little bit of authority, and I'm telling you, it works. You won't need as many backlinks. As soon as I did this, it was like boom, shot right to the top. And then I'm gonna make a bunch more websites for concrete sealing, for all this stuff, and that way I'll have, like, see right here, commercial power washing, pressure washing. It's clickable. It takes you to another page. Now I'm saying, like, each individual page you have to make these clickable. It takes forever, but if you do it, you will rank high, like really freaking high. And as soon as Google Search Console pulls into it, and then if you have your Google My Business link to your website, it's just gonna help pull each other up. But anyways, I'll show you how I did it real quick. So this is a brand new site, brand new company. This is Elementor. So what I did was I just went to all, new pages, clicked, press new, brought up this. I went over to, on Elementor, if you go down here, sorry for the crappy shakiness and everything, you can put the title on, then you see Yoast SEO right here. So whenever you do your Google preview, once you put that slug in there, you do not change that. You make it whatever you want it, and then once you start sharing this link and linking this link to other pages, if you ever change that, it'll come up a 404 error, and then you have to go back and relink everything, and it's a pain in the butt. So once you make that what it is what it is. And then this is the description it'll show up on Google as. I'm just keeping it nice and simple. I just want to see how fast I can rank this. Okay, so where it says publish down here, after you make your homepage, and please don't laugh at how crappy this looks. I just put it together real quick. I'm going to work on it, trust me. But if you go down here to publish, you see where it says save as template. Once you make your homepage, you can save it as a template. Once you do that, whenever you start to making a new page, you can come here to this file, click it, go to templates, insert, apply. So now, basically, my homepage just comes up on here. Everything, it's just a clone, basically. What city was this again? Come on. Butler. So I'll click my H1 heading, and this is what really helps too. I'm going to change my H1 heading to also have the keyword of the city in that heading. That's going to pull. And then I want to go to Wiki, obviously. So I should already have a picture of Butler on my computer. Whether or not it'll let me download it, I don't know. It acts strange sometimes. because you're not really supposed, like if you were doing this from somebody else's website, it would be like copyright infringement or whatever. So you're supposed to go more into detail with these, but I hear Google doesn't really care about the alt text and everything anymore anyways. So I'm just going to go through and hurry up just for this video's sake. And then I go to text editor, drop that right underneath the picture. Get rid of that. Go back to Wiki. Right here where it has the geotag with the link embedded. Gonna copy that. Go back to Elementor. Make it an H5 heading. Paste. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up a new block. Bring it right underneath. Give it a heading. Go back to Wiki. Go up to their description of Butler. This, copy it with links and all. Go back to drop a text editor in the box. Oops, get rid of all that. I hope this is, I'm trying to look over the camera. I hope I'm not messing up. I'm sorry if I am. Okay, now we go back to Wiki. Now this is good to have the geography because it'll pull for the area more. So I like to put, if they have anything on geography, I always like to put that on there. And again, you can do this just because you're pulling citations. You're not, what's it called? It's called like plagiarism, or what's the word they like to use? I forget. But anyways, this is just you're citing, so it's allowed. You have all their links. It's giving them backlinks. It's a citation basically, but it pulls authority. It's not going to get you in trouble. It works in a good way. And I to the best of my knowledge, like I said, I'm new at all of this, but I know enough to try to help. So now we're pulling authority, and see all these right here. You're gonna have to go through. Let me think of one I have done. Leechburg. So we'll go up here. We'll copy Leechburg. Come to this little link button. And then see I have a page on Leechburg. So we'll click that Leechburg page. And then we'll go to this little sprocket looking thing. Come up to opening a new tab. That way they're opening more pages if they do try to do this. Like if they come in and click on the different areas, it'll open a new page. It's just going to be the same thing. It's really nothing for the user, but it just helps. It's going to help with your authority. It's going to help. Google likes saying all these internal links. Sorry. And now there'll be a link, an internal link. It'll open up to a new window. And same with services. Once I get this page more built out and I put all my services and stuff, I'll put links to my services and everything, like my service pages, for one for demolition, one for junk removal, whatever. And I plan on building this company up. We'll see how it goes. I want to see, I do junk removal as of right now, but I do more pressure wash. Like obviously I do a lot more pressure washing. That's what I put most of my time and efforts into, but you can't pressure wash in the winter, and I don't want to work the rest of my life away. I'd like to get employees, get off the truck and travel and stuff. So anyways, I'm trying to get these sites going like this. I'm telling you, minimum backlinks by doing this. The guy told me that if it's in a city, like say Leechburg, that's a city near me that's not that sought after, I might be first page just by doing this. Like you never know. But I just made a new Google My Business page for this. Just bought a legal name, and I'm starting to work on this website. I went over to Canva and made this little this little guy here. But like I said, it's a work in progress. Please don't give me too much crap. But yeah, it's as easy as that. I'll leave a link in the description on where to get Elementor. That's the web design software that I have. I like it. I guess there's people saying there's better ones, but I like Elementor. I'm just used to it. It's what I use. And yeah, I hope this can help somebody. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you see me doing something wrong, please let us know, because like I said, I don't know it all. I just know enough to make it work.